Argentina and Cyprus debt crisis and Bitcoin. Due to recent debt crisis in Cyprus and old debt crisis in Argentina, citizens in those countries prefer to keep their saving in non-banking entities as they don't trust their banks due to sudden government intervention. Before Bitcoin, people used to hold physical US dollar. However, dollars are limited in supply in those countries. So, the only option that they have is buying Bitcoin. Even nowadays in India, the Indian citizens are considering Bitcoin as their number one holder of their assets, of their currency. Why? Because you cannot buy a US dollar. It's not available in the market. So you will need to wait for the new US dollar to come in, new US dollar supply to come in, and then you go and to buy them, and then you have to store it in lock and key, and you have to secure it. Whereas digital currency, that is Bitcoin, or even other digital currencies, they are secured. They are online, they are private. So your government cannot know if you own them. So you know that it's a secure place. And as you don't trust the banks and you are wary of the government intervention, so what's left? Digital currencies. And this is also another great reason for Bitcoin rising in price. Because all these three countries, the citizens are buying them. Bitcoin investment funds. People all over the world can also invest in Bitcoin through investment funds. Example is Grayscale Bitcoin Investment Fund. However, it comes with 2% annual fee. And this is the website address. You can visit it. Now, please remember, why is Argentinian debt crisis really important to Bitcoin? Because these debt crises represent that you cannot trust your government. It can suddenly change the rules, and you will be left with a reduced uh, your local currency. An example would be the current Indian government cancellation of 86% of the money supply. So you were left with a non-accepted currency in your pocket, suddenly. Whereas Bitcoin acted without a central authority or a government. So they cannot cancel it. And therefore, it's extremely good currency to store your wealth in. Now, just to give you a perspective, the total population of the world, 17% are Indian. And if you add Cyprus or Argentina, I believe 18% of the world population will be buying Bitcoin just to store their wealth. So, this represents huge demand coming forward. And that demand will tell you that price will increase over time. Because with demand, price increase, right? Thank you.